फ्यूचर इंग्लिश रीडिंग में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग ब्राविया इंग्लिश बुक क्लास 3 लेसन 8 स्पेस वॉक पेज नंबर 58 का इंग्लिश रीडिंग इन हिंदी को पढ़ेंगे, जिसके अंतर्गत डियर स्टूडेंट अंग्रेजी के प्रत्येक शब्दों का उच्चारण हिंदी में आपको मिल जाएगा, जिससे आप अंग्रेजी पढ़ना आसानी से सीख सकते हैं। आज हम लोग पेज नंबर 58 का रीडिंग करेंगे और 59 का वीडियो कल हम अपलोड कर देंगे। पेज नंबर 58। हैव यू ड्रीम ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग इन स्पेस? डू you have at the stars and wonder what it would be like to be an astronaut? Surely it would be lots of fun. Imagine setting foot on the moon or another planet, but then becoming an astronaut isn't easy. You have to study a lot and develop many skills. It would be a lot of work too. You have to plan everything before taking off from the earth. How do you plan a trip? First, you find out the distance between your place and the place you want to visit. It's easy. You look up the map and chalk out the route, but imagine you want to go to the moon from the earth. Both the moon and the earth are moving and their own orbits all the time. Do you think it is easy to find out the distance between two places which are moving all the time? When you are on a spaceship. You can't buy things when you want them. You have to carry with you everything you need: food, water, and oxygen. This also calls for a lot of planning. So, when astronauts plan to go to the moon, they have to calculate the changing distance between the earth and the moon. Do you know that India too has sent astronauts to space? Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to travel into space in the year 1984. The country watched proudly when he was chosen to travel in a spacecraft. He spent more than 7 days in a space. When he was asked how India looked from the space, he had replied, सारे जहां से अच्छा, बेस्ट इन द होल वाइड वर्ल्ड। पेज नंबर 58 का रीडिंग समाप्त हुआ। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें और दूसरे अन्य विद्यार्थी को भी इस चैनल के बारे में बताएं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।